Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I'm coming to you from an island in Alaska. And you can see my mountains in there behind me and the beautiful tall trees. And I have 7 grandkids, and I like to stay home and work. And I want to talk to you about cheap traffic with your Facebook fan page and how that works for you if you have a business or if you have a reason you want a fan base, you're an artist, direct sales, whatever. This is a good way to get traffic, and it doesn't matter where you are. You don't have to go to work. You don't have to deal with all that's going on. You can be anywhere and do it. So stay tuned. I'll show you my fan page and what it's doing for me. So here we go. Thanks. Hey, this is Cheryl. Got inside now. Appreciate you stay tuning for the fan page and what it looks like and what you can do with it, that you can create an audience and you can do direct sales, you can do music, whatever you need. It is a way to connect with people. And you know now, non-essential jobs, people can't go and do what they normally do for their work. And so our fan page gives you the opportunity to connect with people. People can like your page. See, there's a like button. They can follow you so they get updates. And that's really important no matter what industry you're in, to be able to connect with your audience and be able to create an audience, even have that ability with this fan page. That's why a fan page is kind of important, because you don't want to do it on your actual Facebook page. You don't want to write information about your business on your Facebook page where your friends and all that are at. You want to have your own separate place for it. And that's what the fan page does for you. So you can connect with people that are interested in what you have. You can target specific groups of people so that your ad or is going to go out to people that would be interested, and that is really important. And it's simple to set up, and for many now it's survival, truly survival in this day and age where we are encouraged to stay home and hunker down. I actually got a postcard in the mail that told me this, to stay home and hunker down. Well, that's all well and good, but what are you going to do for an income? And that's why I love having a fan page and being able to work from home, because that's not going to be a problem, see, and that's the beauty of it. And I can create this audience and bring in an income, and traffic on your fan page is pretty cheap and very incredible that it just comes in. You just tell it how to target it, where the people are, what their interests are. These are very important aspects of putting a simple ad. I got the simple steps, pictures of how to do it when you want to put an ad up, see. And we teach that in what we do. So you definitely want to send me a message. You could find out what I'm doing to get through this time right now. And I appreciate you coming to the video today, and you can see the fan page. I would really love it if you'd go to my fan page, Princess Lifestyle. You can actually just put that in the search in your Facebook, and you'll see the logo and you'll know it's me. And then of course you see the page. So, and then like and follow, send me a message. I would love to hear from you and show you what I'm doing to survive this coronavirus and what's going on. And never in my entire life has anything like this ever happened. And I'm a grandmother of 7 kids, so 7 grandkids, and it's crazy. And I just wanted to do this video to lay this out and show people what I'm doing, and if it's interests you, that's wonderful. And I appreciate you coming to the video and watching it. And I wish you the best. Pray for your health and well-being during this time. And Thanks for watching, and bye from Alaska.